Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing good. Today we'll talk about data analytics process. So what is data analytics? Data analytics is a tool to solve problems. Whether you have a problem in your business or you have a scientific problem, you can use data analytics to solve that problem. But the question is how it solves the problem. Actually, it extracts evidences. Those evidences will help us to take better decisions, and that's what is called data-driven decision making. So, what is the first step in solving a problem? Always, the first step will be defining the problem. And defining the problem is very important in data analytics process because the first thing you need to ask yourself is why many times. Because why can guide you to the root of your problem and solve it eventually will solve the problem for all. The second thing is that when you ask or define the problem, you need to know which things you control and which things you can't control. Because if you ask general questions or define the problem in general way, you will not understand what are the most important parameters you control that you can change, and that change will make an impact on your problem. But if you ask yourself specific questions about the things you can control related to a problem, you will find eventually evidences that can help you change those parameters into a solution for a problem. So the first step in the data analytics process is to define the problem. The second step will be the data collection. In data analytics, without data, we can't solve the problem. You have to search for other method if you want to solve a problem without data. But in data analytics, you need to have the data. You can collect the data, you can generate the data as you like. So after that, any data in general will have some bias, some anomalies. So you need to clean it. Okay, you need to make it better. So after that, we have the fourth step, which is data visualization. And this is used to understand the data. Actually, drawing the data will help us understand it in very fast way, especially if you have a lot of data points. Fifth step actually is the data analysis. Here we are talking about the mathematical tools you can use to extract evidences and to, find correlations inside your data. And after doing all of this, you will get a report with evidences and conclusions about the problem and the suggested solution. You need to know how to communicate that solution. You need to know how to share it and how to act to it. Okay, so this is called data analytics process. It's the process used to solve problems with data analytics or with data. Now, everything around this process and all the resources used for this process, like the database you will create here, the clouds you will store your data in it, or the database in it, the tools you will use for visualization or for analysis, all of that is called data ecosystem, which is a bigger than the data analysis process. It's actually the environment of the data analytics process. So this is data analytics in general. I hope you have enjoyed. We'll talk about more in next times. Thank you very much.